Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we are diving into the world of steganography on Kali Linux, and we're going to do this in a strictly ethical way. Now, you've probably heard of cryptography, where we scramble a message so nobody can read it. But today, we are doing something different. We are using steganography. The goal here isn't just to scramble the message, it's to hide the message entirely so that nobody even knows it exists. To do this, we are going to use a classic, powerful tool called Steghide. We are going to take a secret file, in this case a Python script, and we are going to bury it inside an innocent-looking image file. To anyone looking at your computer, it's just a photo, but to us, it's a secure container. Before we start, standard disclaimer, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. We use these techniques to understand data privacy and how to protect our own information. Never use these tools on files or systems you don't own. All right, let's jump onto the desktop. I want to show you exactly what we are working with today. You can see I have two files here on my Kali desktop. First, we have our cover image. This is the file named img_202509281519421116.jpg. If I open this up, you can see it's just a standard normal photo. There's absolutely nothing suspicious about it to the naked eye. The second file is our secret payload. I've created a Python file called test.py. Let me quickly show you what's inside. It's a very simple script, but it has an important output. It just prints a message that says, "Subscribe to my channel." So the mission today is to hide this Python file inside that image file. Let's open up the terminal and make this happen. We are going to use the Steghide embed command. The syntax here is really important, so I'll walk you through it. First, we type Steghide embed. Now we need to tell the tool which image acts as the cover. We use the tag CF, which stands for cover file. I'll drag in my image here, home/Kali/desktop/img_202509281519421116.jpg. Next, we need to tell it what we are hiding. We use the tag EF, or embed file. That's our Python script. home/Kali/desktop/test.py. Finally, and this is crucial, we want to create a brand new image file as the output so we don't corrupt our original. We use the tag SF for stego file, and I'll name this one steg.jpg. So the full command is on the screen now. When I hit enter, Steghide asks for a passphrase. This is an extra layer of security. Even if someone finds the hidden file, they can't open it without this password. Let me enter that now and confirm it. And done. It says embedding test.py. Done. If you look at the desktop now, we have the new file, bksteg.jpg. If you compare the file sizes of the original image and this new one, you might notice a tiny difference, but visually, they look exactly the same. Now, let's flip the script. Imagine you are a forensic analyst, or maybe you just want to verify that your data is actually in there. How do we check? We use the info command. I'm going to type Steghide info home/Kali/desktop/bksteg.jpg. When I run this, it prompts me with the question, try to get information about embedded data? Y or no? I'm going to type Y for yes. It immediately asks for the passphrase. If I didn't have the password, I would hit a wall here. But since we know it, let me type it in now. And look at this output. This is fascinating. It confirms everything for us. It tells us there is an embedded file named test.chi. It shows us the size is exactly 143.0 byte. It even shows us the encryption used. It says encrypted Rindle 128 CBC. That's 128-bit encryption in cipher block chaining. And finally, it confirms compressed, yes, meaning it shrunk our file down to fit it nicely into the image bits. Okay, for the final step, let's prove we can get the data back. I'm going to delete the original test.py from my desktop right now, just so you know I'm not cheating. Gone. Now, to retrieve our secret message, we use the extract command. I'll type Steghide extract /sf bksteg.jpg. Once again, it demands the password. Security is always the priority here. I'll enter it one last time. The terminal says, wrote extracted data to test.py. Let's minimize the terminal and check the desktop. There it is. The file is back. And just to be absolutely sure the data is intact, let me run that Python script, and there's our message. Subscribe to my channel. So, that is how you use Steghide to hide data inside images using Kali Linux. It's a simple tool, but it effectively demonstrates how easily data can be concealed in plain sight. If you found this video helpful, please follow the advice of that Python script. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I've got a lot more ethical hacking and Linux tutorials coming your way. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.